Hello, my name is David Kingsbury. I'm 74 years of age. I'm a retired theatre manager from sunny Weston-super-Mare. For the last 16 years, I've been a TV and film extra, playing many roles, from Casualty to Merlin and everything else in between. I've done it. For the last 5 years, I've organised an all-60s night. That's the music, but mainly the people come along, and have raised over £10,000 for this local charity. I also enjoy reading autobiographies and anything that's ranging from Sir Bruce Forsyth to Cliff Richard. I also own shares in racehorses. I've owned many tails and many hooves, but I've enjoyed it so much and they give me a lot of satisfaction. I want that blankety blank checkbook and pen.